Hi Ron, this is my weekly update, and the first thing is I'm gonna go to the daily scoreboard and see the weekly free class signups. And this week from Monday till Thursday we had 90 free class signups. Last week Monday through Thursday we had 100, so we are 10 below the previous week. And last week from Monday till Sunday we had 159, so basically we need 69 free classes for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, so we can be on the same level as the previous week. But now if we compare the previous week, like the first week Monday through Sunday, we had 152, then the second week 169. So we've been increasing the number of free classes week by week, so hopefully this week we would continue on that trend, and we'll see how that goes. Now on the sales side, we have this week so far 16 sales. Last week we had Monday was a really good day, so we had 25. Last Monday compared to this Monday, there was a big difference. We had 12, and this week we had only 5. Then on Tuesday we had 5. This Tuesday we had 4. Wednesday we had 3. On Wednesday we had 5. Thursday we had 5. Last week yesterday we had only 2. So we'll see how that goes. But in general, like on sales, we have 81, and our projection is 113. We should have 365 per day to make sure that we reach our projection, and at the moment we're on an average of 385, so we're good on that side. Now on total returning sales, we have 146. The projection is 220. We should have approximately 710 per day to get to our goal, and at the moment we are at 69. So we're a bit below what we need, but hopefully if we get another good day like we did on Tuesday that we had 17, we might reach our goals, because we just have one more week and the weekend. So hopefully we will get to our monthly goals. Now on the affiliates, this week we sent out 5 new contracts. We had 1 new affiliate signed. We have 0 renewals. Monica did send 3 contracts for renewals, but they haven't been signed. That's why we have 0, but we're just waiting for 3 responses. Then this week we had 7 free class signups and 1 sale on the affiliates. You can see it here. We have, yes, 1 confirmed sale. So far this month we have 13. I think this is not registering all the free class signups correctly. I'm gonna double check, because on Google Dashboard we have more than what we have here. So I'm gonna have to double check that and insert the correct information here. But 2 sales, these have been confirmed. So far we're doing good on that side. Last month on the affiliates we did 2 sales, so we are already in the same place, and hopefully we'll get more on the next week so we can improve last month's number on the affiliate side. Now also about the affiliates, I was talking to Monica. At the moment we have 135 active affiliates. From these active 135 active affiliates, we noticed that 70, like almost half of them, 70, 75 of them are getting clicks, free class signups and or sales. And then the other 70 are very low on interactions. So we were thinking of ways that we could reactivate them and make sure that they are sharing their link. We're gonna have a meeting on Tuesday so we can discuss this and make a better plan. But one of the ideas is to send them an email and tell them that we notice that they have been inactive and that they have to remember that as a part of the contract, they agreed that they would be sharing content weekly, and that kind of like a warning that we are seeing that they haven't shared much, and that if they continue, like if they continue being inactive, we would have to, like, I don't know, like cancel the contract or remove some of their classes. Like, as I think probably the first thing would be like remove some of their classes, kind of like a penalty, maybe just like a warning, and see if they get active on that. Then the penalty would be like remove some of the classes that we gave them, and see if they take that as some kind of motivation to start sharing content again. And if not, the last would be to end the contract, because at the end they're not active, they're not sharing anything, and they're basically just waiting for the contract to end. So that's kind of one of the ideas that we have, and I wanted to get your thoughts on that. Now, as another KPI, I included Agile here, and this week we had 13 free class signups. These are all from Agile from this week, Monday till yesterday. And we can see from which campaign they're coming from. From this 13, we had 1 completion, and we haven't had any sales this week, but in the month we already had. So let me get the month. So far in the month, we have 3. 2 are, well, only 1 because it's the same email. It's for the no-show cancel email campaign. And we have another sale that's coming from the previous cancel campaign. So we have 2 sales coming from Agile. And then we have 1, 2, 3. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think 5 completed. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 completed. 5, 6, 7 completed. Counting the sales, 7 completed, and 2 sales in general from Agile in the month of July. And one of the things that I don't really understand with the dashboard is that when you scroll down, sometimes sections of it like repeat itself. So I really have to pay attention to the emails to make sure that I'm not counting twice the leads, the information. Just wanted to let you know that. Then, as relevant explanations, the last thing that I have is the June versus July information that I've just shared with you on the chat. I look at my notes and my to-do list and everything to see what we did on June and July, to see if there was any difference, anything that could show us why the ads or things in general are not working as well as we expected. And some notes are coming from the daily scoreboard, some are coming from like my notes. And in June, we had June 9, the 24-hour text message was pushed to production. Then on June 10th, the legacy blogs broad campaign, we changed the bid strategy to manual cost per click. And then Google Ads, we started adjusting the budget weekly according to completions rate. Facebook ads were on June 17th, we started running Facebook ads, but they started running, like performing normally until June 20th. Then on July 1st, we had the free class no show and cancellation campaign going live. On the 14th, we stopped Facebook ads because they were not working. They were not providing any return on the investment, so it was not worth it. Then also on July 22nd, that's today, I switched the legacy blogs campaign back to target rows, and on Bounce, we unindexed landing pages. That's all I could find in my notes. I don't know if there was like on ads. The only different thing that we've been doing is to see the budget, to change the budget weekly, but that shouldn't affect the performance of them. I am going to, on Tuesday, I'm going to do a deep dive on Google and see like the keywords in June versus July and the campaigns, and see what keywords were performing better in June and which ones, and changed in July, and gather all that information. And also Tuesday I have the meeting with Google Ads, so I think maybe there we can find something that we might not be looking at. And on Wednesday I'll let you know everything about it so we can make a decision, or even in Tuesday if I find something that it's relevant, and we'll see how that goes. I hope you have a great weekend, and we'll talk next week.